Hello and welcome back to another video. My name is Allie and I am here documenting the process of building a homestead from scratch, but most importantly, raising a family. In today's video, I'm going to show y'all an abandoned shed on our property that we will eventually convert into a barn to use for livestock. And then we bring y'all along with us to a country bumpkin cow field version of a block party where we run into our friend Emily, who is here on YouTube at Farmstead Forum. Where the party's gonna be tonight. They got the main stage.
Wow.
This is the country version of a block party.
So crazy.
There's this barn on our property that is going to be so perfect for pigs, sheep, maybe some goats. I'll show you guys. It's definitely in a state of disrepair right now, but once we fix it up, it'll be perfect. That's it over there. So we have a trash pile, and then that's the barn. Here's the barn. Definitely needs to be cleaned out. Looks like there's an old Christmas tree in a box. This will be so cool. Chance is blazing a trail to our new second gate on the property. Yeah.
Or haul away or whatever we're gonna do.
I mean, there's just so many like piles to burn.
Look at this like Christmas tree looking thing.
Mm-hmm. There's a big old Christmas charity event happening. There's a big old Christmas charity event happening in our area tonight. There's a big old Christmas charity event happening in our area tonight, and we're gonna go check it out. And our goal is to find a raw milk hookup. What?
I look like a city slicker when I wear Doc Martens. Not put this in the video.
Try out our new gate.
Oh.
It is a little bit tighter than I thought it would be. You gonna feel it?
A little slow.
It's cool how there's a little personal entry gate.
Yeah.
Oh my god, that was fun. The little things.
Neat, huh?
Sorry, do it again?
Oh. Coppers. You never enjoy it.
No.
You know, so
even,
it's,
even
but
my
I could do
husband,
it.
every time my husband says, thanks, buddy, like,
Yeah.
thank you for your life.
Yeah, we said like a prayer for our meat birds.
As long as, you know where it's coming from, you know it had a good life. A lot
Exactly.
better than something you get
Exactly.
from Chick-fil-A.
That's what made me feel better.
Yeah.
So,
And something about the meat birds, they're a little more mean than the laying hens, and
You were trying to tell yourself
they
that.
weren't quite. They're not nearly as pretty, and I don't know. I kind of.
someone was telling me about quail because
Oh, okay.
I was thinking about raising quail, and they're like, yeah, they're mean little guys. Like you
Are
don't
they?
you don't feel bad at all when it's
Uh-huh.
time to do away with them.
Yeah.
But yeah.
guys so much for watching another video. I will see you in the next one. Bye!